Today I'm going to show you how to make this ornament from a paper towel roll. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to Hectanuka 1. From now until Christmas, I'm going to try and post videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I have other ornaments that were made with paper towel rolls. This one was done last year. And I'll put a link below the video for other ornaments made with empty paper rolls. And these were from last year, and I think they were on my other channel. I'll put the links below where you can find the videos for these. To make this ornament, I'm going to use a paper towel roll. And I'm going to flatten it down. You could measure these if you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut them approximately 1/4 inch. Like that. And then I'm going to make segments like this. I folded 5 of them in half like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to cut this one in half. And I'm going to curl the 2 ends. Like that. And I'm going to glue them together. Like that. And I'm going to glue that down in the center. Like that. Okay, so I've made 5 of those shapes, and I have 5 open ones. So now I'm just going to assemble these by gluing these 2 together like that. Like that, and then glue these together like that, and then I'm going to glue a bead on the front and on the back. And I'm going to spray mine gold. And I attached a ribbon for hanging. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make these paper ornaments from empty paper towel rolls. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy paper ornaments. And I have other ornaments similar to this. And I have some other ornaments that have been made with paper towel rolls. This is one from, and I have other ornaments that were made with paper towel rolls. This one was done last year. This one is from last year. Okay, so I've made 5 of those shapes, and I have 5 that are just and I have 5 open ones. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.